Guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter. And in this video I'm just going to talk about something that I really forgot to talk about long time back when I started making this Osmo Pocket series. For this video you guys might need your USB-C or a lightning connector memory card just for demonstration purposes, and I'm going to use a USB-C to USB. What is the reason behind this? Now a lot of the comments in the comment section has been asking, or been there are a lot of comments that has been going on in the channel that I've not shown how to transfer images or 4K 60 FPS footages from the Osmo Pocket to the iPad. Now 4K 60 FPS can be shot at the .mov format and .mp4 format. Now there are some footages that are transferable, there are some footages that are not transferable. That's what everybody is saying, but in this channel I thought that we will test this out. At first we are going to do some 4K 60 FPS shots, and I'm going to show it real time rather than like taking some other shots. So without further ado, let's begin. Alrighty, so notice this very carefully. What I'm going to do, at first I am going to go to pro mode. So at first you go to videos, so we will go to videos at first. So hold on a second. So I am in videos right now, and then from here from the side corner you are going to select 4K. Okay, so remember this, go to this section. So let me do a screen recording also on the side just in case. Okay, so the screen recording is on, so you're going to see my screen also. So remember this, go to the left side, go and select 4K, and now you can select 1080p at 30 or 1080p at 60 FPS. Now which sort of format you are filming, so you go out here and hold on a second, where the hell is that? Okay, there you go, for basic and pro. So in pro you can select the video format as MOV. Now let's take a small clip with this, and let's see whether the MOV format can be taken out and transferred to my iPad or iPhone. This is strictly for Apple products. I do not know about Android. Okay, so let's begin. Hey guys, so there is two ways of transferring footages from your Osmo Pocket to the iPad. Now the easiest way, just to get the connector and plug it on the side of the iPad and open up the application, which is DJI Mimo. Now there is also another way which a lot of people are using. I don't know why they are doing that, maybe because of the transfer rate. They are taking out the memory card, putting a memory card reader using like a connector or something like that to their iPad. So let's check that out also. Now you take your Osmo Pocket and you put in the USB-C out here. As you can see, the USB-C is out here, and from there, and yeah, and I find this to be the most simple way of transferring. Now whenever you do this, you will see that the DJI Mimo app open up, and from there you can go to your photos and videos. I don't know whether you guys can see or not. Let me see. Okay, so that's all your photos and everything. So these are all 4K clips I've shot. You can actually select all of these, and you can download them. Okay, now it will be saying downloading the file is not supported on the current model. That's crazy, and that is the reason everybody was saying that, hey, how to transfer 4K footage to my iPad. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take out the memory card out of here. So hold on a second. So I've taken out the memory card, and second, I put this memory card inside the memory card reader, and I'm going to take my USB-C to USB. If you guys have a direct USB-C to micro SD card reader, it's good. I do not use that. So once I plug this thing in, you will see that the photos and everything open up. Now the question is it going to read my 4K files or not? So let's see. Import selected. As you can see right now, MP4 MOV and both of them, both of the qualities 4K and MOV can be transferred to your iPad. And after that we'll just try to play this on the iPad and we will see whether it glitches or not. Seems like I am wrong. It literally cannot read 4K MP4 format files. That's crazy. And 4K at 60 frames MP4, the iPad cannot read it or transfer it. 4K 30 FPS MP4, the iPad can read it with the help of the USB card reader. 4K at like 60 FPS MOV and MP4, the iPad cannot read it. So which means that you guys have to transfer this to your computer and then do the color grading. Now why is it? Because my suspicion is it is because of the H.265 codec that they are using. So this is a very enriched format of 4K. Can it transfer to my iPhone? So let's go ahead and select all of these. That the downloading of this file is not supported on the current model, which means that nope, you cannot transfer 4K 60 FPS, 4K 30 FPS, MP4 or MOV. I think only MP4 at 4K 30 FPS is supported to be transferred to your phone or your iPad. Otherwise, you're totally out of our luck. Okay, so this is 4K at 30 FPS. So a small 10-second clip of 4K at 30 FPS. So thank you a lot. Take care. See you next time.